Okay, so it's Sunday night, and I want to do about 5 things as fast as I can, so you're not having to watch me for too long. Although I really miss y'all and would love to see your faces while I do this, but I haven't figured that out yet. Anyway, thing 1. In the morning, you will get a text from me that says, basically, here's what we've got going on this week. Be really brief. You are going to read it and send me a text back in your own words, just like we did last week, that says, here's what you just told me, and I understand it. When you do that on Monday morning, just do it. Just do it right away. As soon as you get the text, read it, understand it, and then send me back the sum up. I will give you a free 100. That's your participation grade, and that's free money. So, especially if you're trying to get your grade up. That's thing 1 that will happen. The next thing that will happen is you will get my newest idea. This is what's on RenWeb, and some of y'all can't see RenWeb, and that is RenWeb's fault. That's not your fault. That's a RenWeb glitch that sometimes English homework doesn't show up. So I'm going to send you a picture, and it will be really close, and you can just keep this on your phone. And that way you'll know what to do on Monday, what to do on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. It says take the day off. So you have a 4-day week with me this week. So then thing 3, I'm going to scan this whole thing, and you can get it as a PDF, and you can print it. And I don't really know what your classes are, but I tried to guess. And if you want to use this as a way to keep up with the rest of your work, I know things are coming at you from Google Classroom and RenWeb and emails and texts, and it might be easier to look at it on Monday and try to write it all down. And that way you don't miss due dates. And you know, like, which days are going to be the heavy days and which days are like, okay, this is totally a light day. Thing 4, I think I'm on thing 4. I just want to put it in your head now that you do have a spelling test this week, and I'm fairly certain we've all forgotten about that, even though it was reminded, but I pushed it off to Wednesday instead of Tuesday, so you get that extra day to study. So remember, spelling tests are they're free money too. They're hard for some people, but they're not like grammar where you have to find the verb. Like, it's just, you know what to do. You take 5 words, you learn those 5 words. Then you add 5 words to those 5 words, or you do the whole thing and decide what your list is. If you want help on this, you can FaceTime me, and I will help you. I'll call the words out, and we can figure out, just as though we were in school, what your list is. Because again, as I always say, you don't have a list of 20 words you don't know. You maybe have 11 words that you don't know, but you won't find that out until you take your first pretend test. So use the technology on this phone and record yourself calling words out. And if you want me to record myself calling words out, I don't know, I'll do that with you. And if you want me to talk through the vocabulary with you, I will do that. Thing 5 brings me to thing 5. About half of you are still not calling me. And I think that is leaving you feeling like we're not connected. So, for example, a bunch of y'all called me during the test and said, I'm not sure about this sentence, can you walk me through it? And I tried not to give answers, but I could say, okay, let's start with a verb. And I think that those people that called me really, you got some points. You kept your points because you worked through it with me just as though we were in the classroom and you walked up to my desk. So many of y'all learn orally, and just me saying the sentence out loud, a lot of y'all go, oh, never mind, I got it now. So the fact that you're not using me is concerning. So I just want you to remember that I'm just sitting here still teaching you and waiting to talk to you, but I can't make you call me. So if you didn't like your grade or you felt like you could have done better, remember that I will talk through. You know, you can be like, I don't get number 5, and we'll do number 5. So I'll do that with spelling too, whatever you guys want. And then thing 6 is you will get only 2 YouTubes this week. So Monday, study for spelling. Tuesday, study for spelling, watch my YouTube, do the worksheet, send it back. Wednesday, take a spelling test. Thursday, watch a YouTube, do the worksheet, send it back. Friday, take the day off. It's a really light week. I'll send you this tomorrow, and I'll send you a morning text every day. And I am here anytime you guys want to talk. That's 5 minutes. You had to listen to me for 5 minutes, but I miss you guys so much. I miss being in the classroom. But I hope that you are finding lots of other interesting things to do with life while we're home. And anyway, I just wanted to check in and give you an overview of the week, and I'll probably do this next Sunday night, and maybe I'll learn to get it shorter, although I just love talking to y'all, and don't mind that it's 5 minutes. So I hope you watch the whole thing, because I really do want to make this as simple for you as possible, and that's it. So call me anytime.